Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to find what country your iPhone was made for. Now, when Apple releases these iPhones, they make different iPhones for different regions. For example, when iPhone 12 Pro Max was released, I remember they made this LLA model, the model which was released for America. They made a small dot on the SIM tray, near the SIM tray, you can say that. And that small dot was actually for enhanced 5G uh, capabilities of the phone. So, how you can find, say, which country your iPhone was made for? Let me tell you how you can do that. So, first thing that you need to do is you have to go to settings and then you have to click general, out. Now here you have to see carefully the last three digits of the model number is going to tell the region of your iPhone. Now I have ZPA. I guess ZPA was actually for New Zealand. My iPhone was made for the audience of New Zealand, the population of New Zealand. Similarly, if I had LLA, then it would have meant that my phone was actually made for the population of America. How you can find this specific alphabetical structure that I've told you, this code, you have to go here to Safari and you can write iPhone region, iPhone wiki. Now here you can actually see the codes and then you can compare the code of your phone with the code right here. So you see they have code for every country. Now you can see that the LLA models, the LLA that I've told you before, they're for America. So that's how you can find the model of your phone and then compare it here, from the model number. And then you can find your iPhone was made for which country. That's how easy it is. You can find the region of your iPhone. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.